Alright, here's Sydney with Boomer and her shopping cart. What you doing? Come on, get up and walk. There she goes with Boomer. Oh, Boomer just hit the ground. Sydney, come here. Bring it to Mommy. Bring it to Mommy. Okay, there she goes. Watch out for your toys. Uh-oh. What are you doing? Can you say hi? Sydney, can you say hi? Hi. 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 What you doing? Oh, what you doing? Do. You can sit down and wait. Can you say hi to Aunt Billy? Can you say hi to Aunt Billy, Sydney?
Say hi.
Sydney, say hi to Aunt Billy. Hi.
Say hi. This is Mama Rabbit and Baby Rabbit, and they're going to smell the flowers. Yeah, they're going to smell the flowers.
Mm-hmm. Say hi, Aunt Billy. Hi. This thing won't go on pause.
You want to go get some groceries?
You're being whiny. You're being whiny. You're chasing Mommy. You're chasing Mommy. You're not going to get me. You're not going to get me. No, not going to get me. Oh, you're going to stop at your drawers? That's just going to get you in trouble. Sydney. Hi. Hi. Really? What do you think about that drawer? You think you're going to get in trouble? Yeah, I know. They're all your bibs.